update po sa vlog natin ngayon 2025. Madilim po dahil hindi ko kami sa labas, guys.
Oo, guys. Ano ba ako, guys?
So madilim, guys, we're going to the market. We're going to buy our food.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's going is go food.
Our
Yay!
dinner.
Yes, hey, gonna buy a food. Yeah, we'll see where is that.
Yes, guys.
And yun, and go balik na sa bahay. Ang mag-iyo. And tulog kita pa sa bahay.
Yes, good, guys.
It's going now. Buy food! Yay!
We're going pa. Where are we going?
Food.
Are we going to buy spark plug?